Hello friends, today I have laptop Lenovo Ideapad 5. This laptop problem is power on but no display. Okay, now I give power. See, automatically turn on because I remove the CMOS battery. See, this ampere. Hmm. In this rate of ampere, this machine is stuck, no display. This type cases main problem come with this BIOS. Okay, I hope to flash BIOS this model. Friends, now I remove this BIOS chip and get this backup, and we edit it with Lenovo original exe file. Friends, I create new BIOS. This is the old backup. This model exe extraction give full BIOS image. Okay, I add DMI data and I split it to 8 MB and 16 MB. Now I flash this to chip and sold it to motherboard. After we can check our job is done or not. Then chip soldering is now complete. Now I clean this area with isopropyl alcohol. Now I hope to give power. See, amp rate is up and down. It means BIOS is initializing. Config mode BIOS now initializing. See, amp rate is up and down. You can check display. See, now restart. Restart meaning BIOS flash is 100% complete. Again restart. Yeah, it mean ME version initializing. See, friend. See, our job is done. BIOS flash is complete. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet next video. Bye bye.